Balthazar, 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 Balthazar.
On the outskirts of Professor Balthazar's town, on the riverbank, in the old mill, Martin the miller was grinding the best flour, while his wife Martha was baking the best cookies. All citizens of Professor Balthazar's town came here for fishing. And for Martha's cookies. The mill was full of merriment. But then, one spring night, high up in the mountains, a whole mountain slope fell and landed right on the source of the river. The water stopped flowing, and the mill was suddenly high and dry. It was an unpleasant surprise for the fishermen. The mill stood still, and Martin and Martha were sad, for they had no work and were lonesome. But new troubles arose. During the summer nights, a penetrating croaking was heard from the puddle, and nobody in the city could sleep. The citizens decided to move the frogs far away into the mountains. But there was nothing to catch the frogs with. The citizens went for help to the famous inventor, Professor Balthazar. And Balthazar invented the frogomat. It was a complete success. That is, almost complete. No. A whistling frog? The professor was thinking. He spent 3 days in his laboratory and thought and thought and thought. And then, to the surprise of the citizens, he introduced the musical frog Figaro. This was a sensation. Music lovers and experts began to arrive from all over the world to admire Figaro. And again, the old mill came to life. Again, hot cookies were being baked. And they were even better now, for each one had a footprint of Figaro on it. The most beloved frog in the history of Professor Balthazar's town.